Assalamu alaikum. We have new lesson today. It's ajiba. First letter is ain. This one is ain, and top of the ain fatah sign. Ain fatah a. Ain fatah a. Next one jim, and bottom of jim this sign kasra. Jim kasra g. Jim kasra g. Okay, and next one is ba, and top of the ba this sign name is fatah. Ba fatah ba. Okay, ba fatah ba. I am repeating again from the first letter from the ain. What is the ain? This one ain, and top of the ain is fatah sign. Ain fatah a. Next one is jim, and bottom of jim is kasra. Jim kasra ji. Okay. Next one is ba fatah ba. Ajiba. 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 Ain fatah a, jim kasra ji. Aji, ba fatah ba. Ajiba. Ain fatah a, jim kasra ji. Aji, ba fatah ba. Ajiba. You repeat with me, please. Ain fatah a, jim kasra ji. Aji, ba fatah ba. Ajiba. Ain fatah a, jim kasra ji. Aji, ba fatah ba. Ajiba. We was read alhamdulillah. This already we read it in first alphabet page. First is ain. Okay, this ain, and next one is jim, and this is the ba. Okay, yeah. Now you can give 10 minutes. Spend your 10 minutes in this lesson. For this lesson, after that inshallah Allah give you help, Allah give you health inshallah in the lesson, and you will expert inshallah in this lesson. Thank you, take care, assalamu alaikum, and give 10 minutes this video.